Good one, guys. Good one. There's two pitches on strike. Starting off with 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. And here we go. The team wants to go one back. You're going to go one back. Come on, control. Control. It is one out. It's another out. It's throw into it. Throw into it. The team has to throw into it again. Placement. And then your team will be recalibrated to the position. It's going to go to us. And he's on the place with the ball is live. The ball is live. Good one. Good one. Good one. And go to the ball. The ball and the throw in red already up. The going with the placement. And now trying to throw our team together. Red 1, red 2 up front as our strikers. The whole blue team expected to defend. The Haji Baji with their red 1 trying to open up our space. We want to pick off the ball. Red 1 on placement. On placement. Red 1. Red 1. Red 1. Here goes it. And red 1 doesn't get it. The ball is live. The ball is live. You want to back up. You want this.